10th Standard Political Science Unit 4 Global Problems and India's Role. Dear students, you have already watched the video of textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First one, what were the events that provided more strength to human rights? The events that provided more strength to human rights were the American War of Independence in 1776, the French Revolution in 1789, the Russian Revolution in 1917, the freedom struggle of India and other countries in the early part of 20th century. These were the events that provided more strength to human rights. Second question, how does the UNO strive to protect human rights? The General Assembly has mandated the member countries to adopt and protect human rights in every country. In order to facilitate better implementation of human rights, the UNO has provided guidelines along with the Human Rights Declaration. The guidelines included 30 columns. For example, every individual has a right to live with freedom, dignity, and equality once he is born as an individual. It also calls for the eradication of slavery and gender-based exploitation of women. It asked for the commitment on the part of member countries for the compulsory implementation of human rights. It formed International Human Rights Commission. In this way, UNO strives to protect human rights. Third question, name the commissions for the protection of human rights in India. National Commission for Human Rights, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, National Women's Commission, National Backward Classes Commission, at state level, state commissions. These are the commissions for the protection of human rights in India. Question number 4. Disarmament is the present as well as future need of the humanity. Why? Disarmament is the only direct process available to bring down the number of arms or elimination of certain arms. Insecurity, fear, instability, and threat of war appear due to the arms competition. In order to keep all these evils away, disarmament is the viable option available for humanity. It is also believed that money is wasted on arms and amenities in the world. In this way, disarmament is the present as well as future need of the humanity. Let's move to question number 5. What are the major meeting points of agreement in the prevention of nuclear weapons? The major meeting points of agreements in the prevention of nuclear weapons are Partial Test Ban Treaty, PTBT, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty CTBT, Strategic Arms Limitation Talks SALT, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty NPT. These are the major meeting points of agreement in the prevention of nuclear weapons. Let's move to question number 6. What are the factors affecting the poor countries? The factors affecting the poor countries are the excess spending, open economy, unnecessary competition, globalization. These are the factors affecting the poor countries. Seventh one, what did US President Eisenhower say about the arms race? The world which has arms not only wastes the money, it also wastes the sweat of laborers, intelligence of scientists, and wastes the dreams of the children.